Official results from 12 local governments as Obaseki maintains lead. In the ongoing Edo State governorship election, Godwin Obaseki of the People Democratic Party (PDP) has maintained a clear lead after winning 8 of the 12 local governments announced. The PDP, according to the results announced so far, is leading by nearly 50,000 votes. The results were announced in each of the local governments by the presiding INEC electoral officials. Newsflash 247 reports how Obaseki took an early lead over his closest contender, Osage Iyamu of the All Progressive Congress. In Essen Southeast, Obaseki scored 10,565 votes, while Iyamu got 9,237 votes. In Essen North East, the governor pulled 13,579 votes, while Mr. Iyamu scored 6,559 votes. In Eastern Central, the governor pulled 10,963 votes and Mr. Iyamu got 6,719 votes, while in Igwebe, Mr. Obaseki got 7,870 votes, while Mr. Iyamu pulled 5,199 votes. And in Uhumwode, South-South, the PDP scored 10,022, while the APC got 5,972 votes. In Esan West, Mr. Obaseki scored 17,433 votes, while Iyamu got 7,189 votes. In Ego local government, the governor gained 27,621 votes, while Mr. Iyamu scored 10,202 votes. Mr. Obaseki pulled 41,030 votes in Ikpoba, Oka, while Mr. Iyamu got 18,218 votes. In Onwa East, the APC scored 19,295, while the PDP got 14,762. Mr. Iyamu also scored 26,140 votes in Etsako, while Mr. Obaseki pulled 17,959 votes. In Akoko, Edo, the governor gained 20,101 votes, while Mr. Iyamu scored 22,963 votes. In Etsako East, the APC pulled 17,011 votes, while the PDP scored 10,668 votes. For the 12 local governments, the PDP has scored 202,574 votes, while the APC has pulled 154,704 votes. Thank you for listening to this news. Well, my viewers, as you can see, this is a clear majority. This is purely clear majority, and there is no doubts or gambling about it. At presently, one will say that PDP is leading. Yes, PDP is leading. There is no argument about it. PDP is taking the lead. You understand? So let the unleashment and revealing of the results be as smooth as it is going now, till when the whole results will be released and a winner will emerge. You see, my viewers, there is one thing I believe in this life, and that is the end. Noise making here and there that this person has defected to APC, this person has defected to PDP. I said it that will not determine a winner. You cannot know what is in the mind of the other person until the day of the election. I told you people that human being, we are just like water. When we see a particular campaign group supporting carrying out a campaign for a particular aspirant, what do we do? We want to join the crowd. We want to join the crowd. You understand? That is it. We want to join the crowd. So joining the crowd will now make people believe that, oh wow, this person has actually pulled crowd, unknown to the people that part of PDP has just joined the APC, but they just joined in order to make and catch the fun together. You understand? That is the system. That is the style. So we just need to understand the situation. We just need to understand the style. Understand? So I tell us this, that the Edo gubernatorial election is going to come out successfully. The conclusion is going to be successful. And whatsoever it is and whatsoever that may have erupted during and or after the election, we still have a good hand. Those that are stepped on each other's toe will definitely reconcile and come back to themselves. You understand? So that is the style. You know, politicians are just like barristers, lawyers. When they are in the courts, they are enemies. But after the case in the courts, they become best of friends. They just disguise themselves in the courts as enemies in order for them to defend themselves properly. Because if you don't see your mate as an enemy while in the court, you can't be able to make your points. You can't be able to develop your points and come up with a good result. You'll just be sympathetic with the person. So when you are in the court, you really need to be very, very rigid, tough. You understand? So that is what is happening in politics. In politics, for you to win your opponent, you have to be rigid. You have to be tough. You have to detest him that period. That period of the election, you have to take him as your enemy. You understand? So that you can be able to pull the crowd, make that move without any sympathetic application. You understand? So after the election, then you will now see the beauty of the relationship. Then you now see the both politicians, the both aspirants coming with a handshake and a hug, congratulating each other. You understand? Okay, so my viewers, with all that you've just heard or listened to, what's your take? What's your own observation? What's your contribution? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.